After a week off, the Falcons are eager to get back into gameplay with a home-and-home against Miami. The Redhawks are 1-4 this season, looking to snap a 3-game losing streak when they come to BG to the Ice Center on Friday. The squads will turn around and take the ice at Slater on Saturday. For the Falcons' home opener, the Orange and Brown are content with their opening weekend performance at RPI, but know the Redhawks are hungry for a win against an in-state rival.
Focus will be on ourselves and just, we had the off week, so we've been focusing on things that we saw from our series with RPI and focusing on us trying to be the best version of ourselves, knowing that we're going to go down and face a team who's been on the road for 4 games, so they've had an opportunity to kind of review and reflect and look at things that they've done well or not done well over the course of their 4 games. So we're excited about the opportunity, but honestly, our main focus up to this point has been on ourselves, and we'll watch a little video just like they will of where we think maybe we can do some things and some things that we need to be aware of watching them.
We'll hear more from Eigner and the Falcons tomorrow as the Orange and Brown prepare to face off against former longtime BG head coach Chris Bergeron and the Miami Redhawks.